Here I have OPPO F23, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which might help you to eject with the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside this hole next to the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you have SD card slot, you put SD card here, obviously, and here you have SIM card slot. I guess you could guess what you have to put in there. And then you just put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And to prove you that SD card is also detected, we go to Files. And here we have SD card section. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.